actually just getting started investing in real estate. There's a lot of misconceptions in terms of, I've got to have this, I've got to have that before I can make my play. What the one thing that I would suggest is that if you've got equity, if you've got know-how, don't get caught in theory. Let's get caught in application. Let's borrow against the equity in your home. Let's borrow against your 401k, your IRA, whatever we have. There are options for you. I would say let's figure out what your assets are. Let's get you pre-approved, determine what your credit score is, and what kind of cash you've got available to you. So this way we can actually start looking for potential deals. Now, I will tell you there are rarities where sometimes we can find a unicorn where if it's under a 70% loan to value, that you might not necessarily have to come out of pocket anything at closing. You might get a check at closing. Again, it's a rarity, so don't anticipate that with every deal. However, there are deals out there like that. So I would say is, contact Total Wealth Academy to learn how the process works. Once you get pre-approved, we'll put you in touch with one of our agents on our Total Wealth Realty team, and then we'll go ahead and start shopping for the deal so that we can make you a return. And you can see that the Total Wealth Academy approach is actually an effective one.